Well, folks, let's see if we can do it. Georgetown cruise, the big one, once a year, August 21st, 2009. We're on the other side now. You can look way up the hill down to the car stretch, all the way up that hill down yonder. Tons of cars here. Tons and tons of cars. There goes Jeremy starting up his Cutlass. That's Jeremy's Cutlass. Nice, Jeremy. Awesome ride, I know. Awesome ride. Kind of sort of got interrupted doing the rest of the movie here because we got to look at that special car. Take care, Jer. Be good. Bye. What a wild ride.
I knew people were going to jump a mile.
Okay, let's see if we have enough movie time on the camera. Come on, Glenn, we'll go do the rest of this. Amazing.
I knew people were going to laugh.
Oh, yeah.
I would jump a mile.
Wild ride, eh, guys? Come on, let's go do the rest of the cars here. Look at this. Love this. Inline 6 Camaro. Isn't this amazing? Inline 6. Yes, inline 6. I love the charm of this car. Very interesting car. Again, how's it going?
Good. Yourself?
Terrific. Okay, let's move on, guys. We're going to be able to film on the camera pretty soon. See, what do we got? What a sea of people here. Just to give you an idea, our car, the Vista Cruiser, is parked maybe, I'd say, a good third of a mile up the road here. I'm going to try to do a count of all the cars here. It is a beautiful car, this one. 69, orange side marker lights. That's slant 6 Barracuda. Gotta love it. I don't see too many of these anymore. Really nice condition, this one. And look at this beautiful car. Old Cordova.
Oh, you're kidding.
Chevy.
Half your age, bust out.
Here you go, Big Al. One for you again. Chevy! And the fire department. Up, way up.
Straight down the end of the street.
They're still going. Rushing along, folks. There's just so many cars to see here. Tons of cars. This nice old Chevy. Looks like a Cuban Habana special. Nice Mustang convertible. Street rod. Twin I-beam suspension. Beautiful old Ford pickup truck. Fowlers. The contingent, the family is here. Yeah. Hey, puppy. This gorgeous GT350. Beautiful. I think. Oh, there's my shadow. Oh my god.
She's just coming up.
It's really impossible, folks. I'm sorry. There's just so many people here to really get a view of the cars unencumbered. Maybe I'll go around the backside over here to them. Let me go around the backside. That's better. Too many people on this side on the street, so we'll just do the sidewalk.
Came out, he couldn't even look at me straight in the eye. So clear out, and he starts laughing.
Oh, nice fuel, yes, huh? Nice fuel injection Corvette. Fuelie. Oh darn, lunchbox let down. Nice though.
Ice cream truck came by.
Folks, we better start running a load because we're starting to run out of film here. Another beautiful old Edsel. Nice little Pontiac. On and on. Thanks. Hey, puppy. There you go. On and on. And on. Back we go. Okay, folks, we'll try to get some more afterwards. I got to clean up some space on the camera now because there's a lot more than I thought was going to be here. So, anyway, see you later. Bye.